It all starts with a simple ingredient, but in the kitchen, as in life, the way we handle things determines the result. For this recipe, we use a classic semi-hard cheese, ideally a young Gouda or Fontina. It has the perfect melting point. We cut it into slices exactly 1 centimeter thick. Why? Because thickness determines whether the cheese melts before the dough burns.
Or the good times will roll by. So don't just slip by. These days they will come and go. That's how you build a good life. One step, 2 steps, 3 and it's over. 5 and to 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9 and I'm older.
Now we divide the slices into uniform sticks, cut slowly and with absolute focus. In a world that is getting faster, cooking is our chance to be mindful. Every cut has meaning. Now they are wrapped in paper-thin dough and fried in hot oil until golden brown. The secret here, the oil must be exactly 175 degrees Celsius. If it's too cold, the dough soaks up grease. If it's too hot, it burns while the cheese inside stays cold.
These days they will come and go.
The result is a perfect symbiosis of two worlds. The infinite crunch of the pastry and the creamy elegance of the cheese. This uniformity is no accident. It ensures that every single roll has the exact same cooking time later. That is the secret of high-end cuisine, repeatability through precision. Cooking is art you can taste. If this recipe helped you, leave a sub and share your creation in the comments. Until next time.